Bonjour, bienvenue. Here we learn verbs ending in er, the conjugation of er group of verbs in present tense. There are many hundreds of verbs in French, like in other languages. To make the conjugation simple and comprehensive, in French, the verbs are classified into three groups. First group, verbs ending with er. Second group, verbs ending in IER. And third group, verbs with different endings, other endings. Here, we learn the conjugation of ER group of verbs, the conjugation of the first group of verbs in present tense. There are hundreds of verbs that belong to the first group. 5 examples are given. Parler, parler, to speak. Demander, to ask. Donner, to give. Tourner, to turn. Voler, to fly. We can notice that these examples are ending with er. Parler, demander, donner, tourner, voler. 5 examples of first group of verbs. We learn here the conjugation of this first group of verbs. Verbs ending in er. We learn this conjugation in present tense now. Simple present tense. Present tense in indicative mode. Indicative mode is where you can make simple sentences, simple statements in affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative, these 4 forms. To begin with, we learn the affirmative form of indicative present tense. Read the spelling of the verb parler, P-A-R-L-E-R. This E-R is the ending and the remaining part P-A-R-L, parle, is the stem of the verb. P-A-R-L-E-R, P-A-R-L is the stem and E-R is the ending. P-A-R-L-E-R is the infinitive form of the verb. Parler means to speak. I hope you remember the meaning of conjugation. We distribute this infinitive parler, P-A-R-L-E-R, to all the subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, il, elle. When this infinitive parler, P-A-R-L-E-R, is distributed to all these 8 subject pronouns, the infinitive undergoes a change of spelling. This distribution with a change of spelling in the infinitive to all the subject pronouns is called conjugation. Learn how an ER group of verb, a first group of verb, is distributed to subject pronouns. P-A-R-L-E-R, P-A-R-L is the stem and E-R is the ending. Now first step, remove the ending, remaining stem, P-A-R-L. Write this stem everywhere in all the subject pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. After writing the stem P-A-R-L with all the subject pronouns, for je, add E with the stem. For tu, add es with the stem. For il and al, add e. For nu, add ons with the stem parl, p-a-r-l, ons. With woo, we add p-a-r-l, e-z. Il and al, plural form, we add ent with the stem p-a-r-l. Now we get the full conjugation of parler in indicative present tense. Je, p-a-r-l-e. Tu, p-a-r-l-e-s. Il, al, p-a-r-l-e. Nu, p-a-r-l-o-n-s. Vous, p-a-r-l-e-z. ILS, ELLES, P-A-R-L-E-N-T. So memorize this set of endings E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Regular ER group endings E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Many hundreds of regular ER group of verbs are conjugated following only this pattern. Now look at the pronunciation. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. Je, tu, il, elle. Same pronunciation, parle. Nous parlons, vous parlez. Please remember what we have already learnt. Every present tense in French will take 3 equivalent translations in English. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, and emphatic present tense. Je parle is translated as I speak. Simple present tense, I am speaking. Present continuous tense, I do speak. Emphatic present tense. Tu parles, you speak, you are speaking, you do speak. Il parle, he speaks, he is speaking, he does speak. Elle parle, she speaks, she is speaking, she does speak. Nous parlons, we speak, we are speaking, we do speak. Vous parlez, you speak, you are speaking, you do speak. Il parle or elle parle, they speak, they are speaking, they do speak. When you know this pattern, you are capable of conjugating many hundreds of ER group of verbs even if you do not know the meaning of the infinitive. Take the infinitive, divide into stem and endings, remove the ending ER, add with the stem this set of endings E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT in accordance with the subject pronoun. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. This is the affirmative form. We have already learnt how to make an affirmative statement into negative. Add no pa. No is added after the subject. Pa is added after the verb. Je parle. Je ne parle pas. Ne after je, pas after parle. Tu ne parles pas. Il, elle ne parle pas. Nous ne parlons pas. Vous ne parlez pas. Il ne parle pas. Elle ne parle pas. Present conjugation of parler in negative form. Do remember always after ne, if the verb starts with a vowel, this n becomes n apostrophe. Je ne parle pas. Translation: I do not speak. I am not speaking. Tu ne parles pas. You do not speak. You are not speaking. Il ne parle pas. He does not speak. He is not speaking. Elle ne parle pas. She does not speak. She is not speaking. Nous ne parlons pas. We do not speak. We are not speaking. Vous ne parlez pas. You do not speak. You are not speaking. Il, elle, ne parlent pas. They do not speak. They don't speak. They are not speaking. You don't speak. We don't speak. She doesn't speak. He doesn't speak. You don't speak. I don't speak. Or I am not speaking. That is negative. Interrogation. Question form. How do you make a question? Make use of inversion method. What is inversion? Take the subject, write it after the verb. This is what we followed while making the interrogative form of the auxiliary verbs être and avoir. We follow the same pattern here also, except for the first person singular subject pronoun je. Only with je we do not follow this inversion pattern. In order to make je parle into a question, we do not write parle je. Instead, we add one interrogative expression est-ce que in front of je parle. So je parle becomes est-ce que je parle. The remaining subject pronouns take the same pattern of inversion. Tu parles, you speak, parles-tu. It becomes a question. Il parle becomes parle-t-il. Elle parle, parle-t-elle. Nous parlons, parlons-nous. Vous parlez, parlez-vous. Il parle, parle-t-il. Elle parle, parle-t-elle. Normal inversion method except je parle, where we add est-ce que in front and we make est-ce que je parle. This is how we make the interrogative form for almost all the verbs in French language. The translation goes like this. Est-ce que je parle? Do I speak? Am I speaking? Parles-tu? Do you speak or you speaking? Parle-t-il? Look at that T in the middle. Parle hyphen T hyphen IL. Euphony. For the flow of language, we add this T in the middle for il and al. Parle-t-il? Does he speak? Is he speaking? Parle-t-elle? Does she speak? Is she speaking? Parlons-nous? Do we speak or we speaking? Parlez-vous? Do you speak or you speaking? Parle-t-il? Parle-t-elle? Do they speak or they speaking? Two translations, and this is the interrogative question form. Negative interrogative form, we know how to make. Write the interrogative form first, and before the verb add ne, after the subject add pas. Ne parles-tu pas? Ne parle-t-il pas? Ne parle-t-elle pas? Ne parlons-nous pas? Ne parlez-vous pas? Ne parle-t-il pas? Ne parle-t-elle pas? Note, for je, I have added est-ce que with the negative form. Est-ce que je ne parle pas? What will be the translation? Don't I speak? Amn't I speaking? Or Am I not speaking? Ne parles tu pas? Don't you speak? Aren't you speaking? No parle-t-il pas? Doesn't he speak? Isn't he speaking? No parle-t-elle pas? Doesn't she speak? Isn't she speaking? No parlons-nous pas? Don't we speak? Aren't we speaking? No parlez-vous pas? Don't you speak? Aren't you speaking? No parle-t-il pas? No parle-t-elle pas? Don't they speak? Aren't they speaking? This is the negative interrogative form of present tense, indicative present tense. All the verbs whose infinitive, full form of the verb, infinitive, ends in er belong to the first group. They, except a few, are conjugated like parler. Some examples are given on the screen. Accepter, to accept. Adorer, to adore. Aimer, to like or to love. Annuler, to cancel. Apporter, to bring. Attraper, to catch. Chanter, to sing. Chercher, to search for. Couper, to cut. Danser, to dance. Donner, to give. Écouter, to listen to. Étudier, to study. Fermer, to close. Gagner, to win. Garder, to keep. To guard. Habiter, to live. Jouer, to play. Laver, to wash. Montrer, to show. Oublier, to forget. Penser, to think. Porter, to carry. Refuser, to refuse. Raconter, to narrate or to relate. Regarder, to look at. Rencontrer, to meet. Rester, to stay. Sembler, to seem. Saluer, to greet. Tomber, to fall. Travailler, to work. Trouver, to find. Utiliser, to use, to utilize. Visiter, to visit. Voler, to fly. These are all a few examples. You may follow the pronunciation after me. Accepter, adorer, aimer, annuler, apporter, attraper, chanter, chercher, couper, danser, donner, écouter, étudier, fermer, gagner, gagner, garder, habiter, jouer, laver, montrer, oublier, penser, porter, refuser, raconter, regarder, rencontrer, rester, sembler, saluer, tomber, travailler, trouver, utiliser, visiter, voler. Write and practice always and try to remember at least 10 vocabulary a day. As we know, French is a language of exceptions. Some verbs ending in er do not follow this regular pattern of conjugation like parler. We can classify these irregular verbs into 6. One is aller. a single verb that is not conjugated like regular parle. Then a group of verbs ending with CER. And number 3, a group of verbs ending with GER. A group of verbs, that's number 4, ending with YER. And a few verbs like ashute, and at last 6th one, verbs like appale. We'll go in detail with these exceptions. Exceptions of ER group of verb. Number 1 is alle. Alle. Alle means to go. It's not conjugated ALLE, ALLES, ALLE like parle. No. Alle takes a completely irregular conjugation. For je, alle becomes VAIS. For tu, VAS. Il, va, VA. Al, va, VA. Nous allons, ALLONS. Vous allez, ALLEZ. ILS and ELLES, VONT. It's a completely irregular conjugation. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. One cannot follow the same regular pattern of ER group of verbs like parler while conjugating alle. We must memorize the conjugation. Je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. This is the affirmative form with regular 3 translations in English. Aller, the infinitive form, to go. So, je vais, I go, I am going, I do go. That is the normal translation as we did in parler. I go, I am going, I do go. Tu vas, you go, you are going, you do go. Please understand, with the translation in English, we don't make any change. And in the negative form, as usual, for je alone, we add eske. Eske je vais. Tu, il, al, nous, vous, il, al. We make the inversion. Vas-tu, vas-il, va-t-elle. Allons-nous, allez-vous, won't-il, won't-elle. Negative form, je vais becomes je ne vais pas. I go, I do not go. Tu vas, tu ne vas pas. Il va, il ne va pas. Elle va, elle ne va pas. Nous allons, nous n'allons pas. Vous allez, vous n'allez pas. Ils vont, ils ne vont pas. Elles vont, elles ne vont pas. Number 2 exceptions of ER group are verbs ending in CER. Example, commencer. Commencer means to commence, to begin, to start. It follows the regular pattern of ER like parler except in the no conjugation. NOUS conjugation. In the no conjugation, commençons, COMMEN, CONS. That C takes a cedilla. C cedilla ONS. If cedilla is not added, it will be pronounced as commencons, con. But the pronunciation of the infinitive is commencer, commencer. Je commence, tu commences, il commence, elle commence, nous commençons. It becomes So in order to produce the same sound of we write a cedilla when C comes before O. Now this comma co becomes comma song. That is the original pronunciation CER in the infinitive. So no comma song, u comma say, il commas, al commas. All the verbs that are ending in CER are conjugated like comma say. What's the change we make? In the new form alone, C takes last CER. That C takes C cedilla, then ONS. In order to avoid the change of pronunciation of CER from S to co, by adding cedilla, we reproduce the sound song instead of com. A few examples of CER ending verbs are given. Annoncer, to announce, avancer, to advance, dénoncer, to denounce, divorcer, to divorce, effacer, to erase, lancer, to launch or to throw, menacer, to threaten, placer, to place, renoncer, to renounce. Do remember this addition of C cedilla, this cedilla in all these CER verbs in the new conjugation. Number 3 exceptions of ER group of verbs, they are ending in GER. All the verbs ending in GER are exceptions in the first group. Example, manger, manger. The conjugation will be as usual except in the new conjugation. Look at that new conjugation, nous mangeons. G takes one more E and regular endings ONS. GONS is wrong. GEONS. What's the pronunciation of manger? MANGER? Manger. But in the new conjugation, if E is not added after G, the conjugation will become mangon. In order to retain the pronunciation of GER, we add E and thus manger, mangeons. Je mange, tu manges, il mange, elle mange, nous mangeons, vous mangez, il mange, elle mange. Like manger, all the verbs ending in GER are conjugated. Examples are given: bouger, to move, changer, to change, corriger, to correct, décourager, to discourage, déménager, to move, déranger, to disturb, diriger, to direct, encourager, to encourage, engager, to engage, exiger, to demand, juger, to judge, loger, to lodge, mélanger, to mix, nager, to swim, obliger, to oblige, partager, to share, rédiger, to write, voyager, to travel. A few examples of GER ending verbs which are conjugated exactly like manger. What's the change we make? We add GEONS in the new conjugation. Number 4 exception of ER group of verbs, all the verbs ending in YER. Example, payer, payer. Payer means to pay, and we make the change except in the nu and vu conjugation. Je, tu, il, al. Y changes into I and endings are added. Look at that. Je paye, PAYE becomes PAIE, PAIES. Il paye, al paye, nous payons, vous payez, il paye, al paye. A few examples of YER ending verbs are given, and all these verbs are conjugated like payer. That is, except for nu and vu, this Y becomes I and endings are added. Read the examples. Aboyer, to bark, balayer, to sweep, s'ennuyer, to be bored, envoyer, to send, essayer, to try, essuyer, to wipe, nettoyer, to clean, payer, to pay, renvoyer, to send back. Fifth set of exceptions are verbs like acheter. Acheter means to buy. After the conjugation, after adding the endings, the second last E takes an extra grave accent except in the nu and vu conjugations. Spelling of the infinitive acheter is ACHETER, but in the conjugation of je, ACHE grave accent TE, tu, ACHE grave accent TES, ACHE grave accent TE for il and al. Nous achetons, vous achetez. No accent is added, and again for ILS and ELLES. Il, al, achète. ACHE grave accent TENT. Ils achètent, elles achètent. The pronunciation of the infinitive is acheter, acheter. But in the conjugation, the pronunciation becomes j'achète. After adding E grave accent, j'achète, tu achètes, il achète, elle achète, nous achetons, vous achetez, not achetons, it is nous achetons, vous achetez. Then again, ILS and ELLES, ils achètent, elles achètent. Some examples are given of the verbs whose conjugation exactly goes with acheter, mener, mener, to lead, lever, to lift, espérer, to hope, geler, to freeze, posséder, to possess, préférer, to prefer, répéter, to repeat, suggérer, suggérer, to suggest. Remember to change the second last E in the conjugation into E grave accent. No matter, even if the second last E has an acute accent. Bear in mind the list of verbs given are ending in er, but it's conjugated in a different way. Except for nu and vu, the second last e is to be changed into e grave accent. The last set of exceptions, sixth set of exceptions, are conjugated like the verb appale. Appale. How do they differ from the normal conjugation? The last consonant of the stem doubles and the endings are added, except nu and vu. Appler, appale, the last consonant of the stem is L, that doubles in the conjugation. J'appelle, appale, it's not appale, but in the conjugation it becomes j'appelle, lle, tu appelle, lles, il, al, appelle, lle, nous appelons, not appellons, it is appelons, vous appelez, ils appellent, lent, elles appellent, lent. Let's pronounce once again. Appelé, appelé, to call. J'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle, elle appelle, nous appelons, vous appelez, ils appellent, elles appellent. Examples are given. These verbs follow the pattern of appale. Yeppale, yeppale, to spell out. Ethasale, to sparkle. Feuilleter, to leaf through a book. Jeter, to throw. Renouveler, to renew. Please understand LER ending verbs. In the given list, LER verbs, L doubles, TER. Feuilleter, jeter, T doubles. In the conjugation of indicative present tense except for nu and vu. These are the different categories of exceptions of ER group of verbs in the conjugation of indicative present tense. Some sentences are given for a better understanding. Lisez et comprenez. Read and understand. Number 1. Je montre ma maison. I show my house. Which form is it given? Je montre. Affirmative form. I show my house. Number 2. Tu fermes la porte. You close the door. Which form? Affirmative form again. Tu fermes. Tu, es is added. Please note, for je montre, e is added. Tu, es is added. Tu fermes la porte. Number 3. Il écoute la musique. He listens to the music. Il écoute. ECOUT stem, E ending. Chante-t-elle bien? This is in the question form, interrogative form. Chante-t-elle bien? Does she sing well? Chante, C-H-A-N-T-E, and T is added in front of E-L-L-E. Chante-t-elle bien? Does she sing well? Nous ne parlons pas français. We do not speak French. Negative form. Aimez-vous cette image? Do you like this picture? Interrogative form. Ils marchent dans le jardin. They walk in the garden. This is affirmative form. Al não vou para o cinema. Al não vou para alle conjugation, exception of ER group of verbs. Negative form. Al não vão para. They do not go. They don't go to the cinema. Read these sentences twice or thrice again for a better comprehension. 3 regular ER groups of verbs are given for you to conjugate. Number 1 is donner de l'argent, to give some money. Number 2, aimer ce film, to like this film. Number 3, fermer le livre, to close the book. Number 1, affirmative form. So, je donne de l'argent. Tu donnes de l'argent. Il donne de l'argent. Conjugate like that. Up to al, E-L-L-E-S. Number 2, aimer cet film. Aimer ce film. À la forme interrogative. So conjugate aimer into interrogative. Est-ce que j'aime ce film? Do I like this film? Aimes-tu ce film? Aime-t-il ce film? Like that, conjugate up to al, E-L-L-E-S. Number 3, fermer le livre, to close the book. À la forme négative. So conjugate fermer into negative form. Je ne ferme pas le livre. Tu ne fermes pas le livre. Il, elle, nous ne fermons pas le livre. Vous ne fermez pas le livre. Then ILS, ELLES, ne ferme pas le livre. Complete the conjugation in negative form. This is the exercise today that you must do. Before doing the exercise, if you have any doubts, don't hesitate to revise this lesson. Go through this lesson twice or thrice. Bonne chance, and this is the end of this video class. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so earlier for the latest notifications of lessons. I take leave. Thank you. Bye-bye.